Okay. Hello. Let's see. What is this? Haven't done this in a second. Ooh, OBS got an update as well. Oh, am I too close? Okay. We are live. Okay, let's see. I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. Yeah, so if you are watching this later, my apologies. I've been away for a little bit, but now I am back, at least for now. But yes, from the title of the video, I am going to be learning how to use Remix and Django. I just started a new job at deepcast.fm. They are working on getting deeper insights into your favorite podcasts. So if you like listening to podcasts and you want to discover new ones out there, then definitely go check it out. I'm a little plug-in, but this is built with Remix and Django and a couple other tech stack components, which is a little bit new to me. I'm familiar with Python, but I haven't worked with Django that much. And Remix, I feel like, is very similar to Next.js, but anyway, I just wanted to live stream the learning process. I've been already working with it and making some PRs already, and trying to figure it out by just looking at the code of what already exists. But I'd like to know what is the benefits. I feel like I did live stream using Remix, or was it Remix or Laravel? I'm confusing either one of them, but yes, the pros of using Remix versus Next.js. I think, let's see, Remix is, I'm assuming, better at handling data and the server side stuff. And that's basically all I know about it. Let's see. But I know Kent, I think Gibbs, right? Kent Dodds, there you go. He wrote a article about, I think I read it, why I love Remix. Yeah, I think, was it this one? No. It was like why I won't use Next.js or something. This one, I think. Yeah, it was this one. Right. And then I think he just pointed out like the different reasons. So, it was published on June 14. Oh yeah, I remember that. Okay, anyway. I thought, why not use Claude, of course, to help me also in the learning process. So let's see. Okay. So what do I want to build? How am I going to learn how to use Remix in the next hour? Remix and Django. If you're not familiar with Django, it's a backend framework. Let's see. Is it a backend framework? Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Right. Pythonic pragmatic design. Ridiculously fast, assuring. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Stay in the loop. Subscribe to one of our mailing lists. Right. So, let's see. I have it set up in my other. Ooh, yeah. Okay. My other computer. Let's see. I want to build let's do a simple, simple CRUD to-do list. A simple to-do list app using Remix and Django and probably Postgres too for database. Maybe I have Docker, so let's see if we can implement that with using Claude. And maybe Docker. And just run it locally. We'll worry about the deployment stuff later. Okay, so let's see. I can help you create a simple to-do list app using Remix for the front end, Django for the back end, Postgres as a database, and Docker. Okay, cool. Nice. So we got a layout of what it should look like. Cool. And then we got the back end to-do app. This is what we need to set up. Okay, so we need to get a directory to look like this. Now, let's see. How should we approach this? So let's say what is the first thing we should do? The first step we should do. The first step, okay, let's see. Let's start by creating a Django project and app. This is amazing. This is crazy. Okay. And then they're going to tell you step by step, here are the files you need to run. Then okay, so we're going to set up our backend first. So, okay. And then I'm assuming, let's see. We're going to set up the front end stuff later. Okay. So I'm going to zoom in. This is my terminal. I'm going to just CD into my desktop. Hey, Ray. I know, right? It's crazy. It's so fast. And I finally got a chance to, I think before, when you were showing me the example on your end, on it building like a React app with the code that you provided, it showed this little window here. It wasn't showing it for me for the longest time. I don't know why. I don't know if they updated it, because now it is. But the weird thing is, let me see. Let's see, click it to open. If I want to close it, then it could open it. Okay, it's not bad, actually. I take it back. It's pretty cool. All right, let's do it. We're going to do make directory to do app. Okay, let's see how far we could get if we're going to come across any issues. Okay, now we have to create a virtual environment. Well, I don't think we have to necessarily, do we want to do that? Virtual environment, I guess so. Python VNV, okay. Cool. Or should I what is publish? What happens when you click the publish button? Publish artifact. Okay, no, it's fine. Oh no, where did you go? Okay. Here we go. Where were we? We were on this one. It's a little bit interesting to navigate this. Okay. Pip. Alright, so we have the virtual environment. Oh yeah, we didn't activate it. Okay. Do not forget this step. Okay. Activate. Now, as you can see here, let me zoom in even more. It got updated. So now I'm inside my virtual environment. Now, do you know actually what? I'm going to use this new, let's see, terminal that I learned about. I have never heard of it, but we use it at work. It was suggested. Let's see, it's called Warp terminal. Let's see if I could. Oh, actually, I didn't download it. It's on my other computer. Okay, let's download it. Warp. It is a command line software. Where software starts with a command line. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Okay, let's download it because I want to show you this cool tool. Okay. Warp. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. I'm just so used to using the default stuff on my computer. Okay. Let's authorize with GitHub. Open it. Cool. And then you could customize it. I'll just leave it like I said to the default. But then let's go back to Claude, and then we're gonna CD and have to do the whole thing again. But let's see. Clear. Okay. Let's ls. We're here. Let's go inside desktop. Yes. Allow. Okay. Clear. And then what was it? We just created the to-do app. There we go. It already predicted it. Isn't that cool? Why use Remix with Django? Wouldn't vanilla React with Vite, Django, or just Remix be enough for full stack web app? That is a great question. I'm not really sure. So this combination, yeah. So the particular app, that's a great question. So I think it's for more flexibility in terms of like controlling the endpoints of the back end. I am terrible at explaining stuff, but let's see. Would Django or Remix would be enough for a full stack app? But don't you still have to fetch data somehow through Remix? So isn't that why you would need like a backend framework or something to get the data? That's a question. That's a good question. Let's see. Why use Remix with Django? I mean, I feel like that's just whenever you join a team and they already selected a specific tech stack and you're like, oh, why did you do this? Why did you do that? There's now better ways. I guess maybe at the time that's what they thought was the best way to go. And then now there's new stuff that are coming out that people say, oh, it might work better with this. Let's see, different purposes. Remix is primarily front end. There you go, because Remix is a front end framework. So we want to get data from our database. So we would need some sort of back end. But then the question is like, why don't you use Django if it's a full stack framework with a strong focus on back end, right? So I think Remix is easier for designing front end. I don't think you typically would, I don't know how great the experience is to design a web app with just Django. Using them together isn't a common or straightforward approach, okay? Potential benefits, you could potentially use Remix to create a more dynamic, responsive front end while leveraging Django's robust backend capabilities. Remix's nested routing and data loading strategies could complement Django's URL routing and views because it's RESTful API based. Integrating these frameworks would require significant effort and yes, alternatives. If you're looking for it to modernize a Django framework, consider using Django with React. There you go, without Remix. That's what you just mentioned. Yeah. Or go full stack JavaScript solution familiar to Remix. You might just look into Next.js with no backend. Yeah. Hello, welcome. The choice to use Remix with Django would be quite unusual. It's worth carefully evaluating your project requirements. So, let's see. I'm not really familiar with Remix. Just had a notion. It was like Next.js and you'd use it to create API routes. Yeah, I think it is similar, but I think that they both have their pros and cons depending on what you're trying to do. I think they say Remix is better at loading lots of data, is I think the assumption. Let's see. Better user experience. I guess it's faster. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's what that's their selling point. It's faster. Interesting. Same. I'm more familiar with, isn't Remix just React Router on stereos? Probably, honestly. No, I thought Remix had their own router. Or they recently switched to React Router. Or were they always React Router? What is the routing for Remix? And I think that's one of the main reasons why to select a front-end framework rather than just React, because I think implementing routes with React is not fun if you have to do it like manually rather than just having it like a file-based system or something like that. Let's see. File-based routing. Let's see. It uses file-based routing, right? But does it use, you said, does it use React Router? I thought they had their own though. It's interesting, evolved over time. Remix was originally built on top of React Router, leveraging its power. Yeah, you're right. As of 2.0, Remix no longer directly depends on React Router. Instead, now it uses its own routing system. But then I thought they went back, right? I think I saw somewhere. I thought, yeah, interesting. Okay. There's so much to learn. There's so much. I feel like you're like just being in the web dev space, you spend so much time like with one web framework, and then I feel like change jobs or have to, learn something new that you aren't familiar with. It's like a whole new thing, which is cool and exciting but at the same time you're like, oh my God, it's a lot. It's endless. Okay. So we went down that rabbit hole. Let's see. I hope I answered it. I still like it takes me a couple times to like really understand it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so now we're inside a virtual environment. Can you see the still not used to this. Let's zoom in. Here we go. That's better. No? Okay. Now we activated it. Okay, now we have to do a pip install Django. Oh wait, how do I finish this? Right click, press right click arrow or control F. Control F to finish. Oh, that makes sense. It's especially true with full stack frameworks because they do so many things and they do it differently. Yes, that is so true. And like these jobs want you to, I feel like, know all of them, but realistically it's hard, you know. I think it's just how quickly can you pick it up. The differences is like a crucial thing. So like now with, you know, Claude or ChatGPT, I think it's made the learning curve better because I'm assuming it's easier to learn. You could just ask it questions. I think Cody posted today, like someone asked, what was it? All right, let me run this. Okay, let me show you. It was like he posted Dev Cody. I thought it was funny. What is this? Where is it? He took a screenshot. Someone asked him, where was it? Here. Could you please share some useful resources that you could use to learn Go? And then he said GPT. And then he said, my honest response to all learning at this point is GPT. Why read a 100-page book when GPT can teach me concepts on the fly, the moment I need them? Honestly. Preach. That's so true. Okay. Oh yeah, let me share this if you're interested. Yeah, I always ask ChatGPT for like the main concepts to learn and view, and yes, 100%. I think at first you feel a little bit guilty, like, oh, like I'm cheating, but I mean, the old way, or whatever the old way is, directory. Okay, we just created the thing. You still find the answer somehow, probably from the internet, so it just shortens that time anyway, so. Because, you know, time is money. So you got to be smart. If you could get the answers fast, then why not? But then understanding it is important too. Like right now, look, I'm just... How did I do that? Oh, okay. We require... Come on, you're not going to finish that? Okay, that's okay. Okay. Now what's the next thing they said? Oh, we got that. Oh, db config. Okay. After running that, let's see. Let's shrink this. This is not good for this. Oh, it's not mobile responsive. Interesting. Okay. Let's open VS Code now, I think. All right, we can open up VS Code. Let's see. Okay. What I do is get bullet points from AI and go read up. Yes. That's a good thing too. The bullet point approach. And then if you want to learn more of the specifics, then you could look into it more. That's smart. I feel like VS Code is always asking me to update. Always. I mean, I guess a lot of people are using it and they want to make the experience better, but it's like always. Okay. I wonder if you could turn it off. Okay, here we go. Okay, now let's set up this, open up to-do settings where is this? To-do app. Why is there two to-dos? Did I do this wrong? After running these commands, you'll have a basic structure for your backend, right? Next, let's go to Postgres database. Open the to-do app settings. There is no settings, so do I have to create it? Let's create it. I think it's at this level. I'm not sure. Okay. Ah, okay. Yeah, okay, here's the copy button. Here. Oh, no. That didn't work. Okay. Copy. There we go. Now it worked. Okay. Settings. Make sure to replace your username and password with your actual Postgres credentials. Now let's create a simple model for our to-do items. Okay, so to-dos. Oh, wait. I think I didn't check in here. Okay, messed it up. Okay, here, let's move this. Oh, there was already stuff in here. Oh, what? What is all this? Databases. So I have to find databases? Okay. Oh, okay. So just replace this. Is that it? Installed apps. Does that exist already? Yeah. Oh. REST framework. Do I just add it to this? I guess. I have no clue. Okay. That was that one. And then what was the other one? See, like, my God, not sleeping. No, it's only 9 o'clock, dude. And I do have to wake up early tomorrow. But what time is it? Mickey, where are you based? Are you on the East Coast? I haven't used VS Code in 5 years almost. Oh, what do you use? Do you just use Vim? Or let's see. Okay. Settings. Oh yeah, okay, I just moved that. I did it in the wrong place. Oh, see, like, that's my misinterpretation. Okay, because here it was like, go inside your folder, but that folder was named as the same name as this one. That's a little confusing. Okay. But it's okay, Claude. Okay. Let's see. Make sure to replace. Yeah, I live in Toronto, so it's midnight here. Oh, dang. Okay. I'm watching from Algeria. Oh my God, 5 a.m. Dang. Let's see. Well, I appreciate you joining this stream at this time. Let's see. It will be available on YouTube too if you want to watch it later. But anyway, okay, let's see. Okay, we did that. Settings. Make sure. Okay, I have to go back to that. The model. Okay, the model. Set to-dos models. Here, okay. So let's do this. Okay, let's see. What else? So I would want to understand how this architecture works, right? So they have apps, models, views. I'm just watching your stream and configuring my arc. Oh, cool. Awesome. After creating the model, you need to create and apply migrations. Okay. So I have to run this. I don't know. Did I skip anything? Okay, so I have Docker running. So if I run this, hopefully, no. That's because, where do I run that from? Oh yeah, I didn't do that. Okay. Let me see. What is this? This is inside the databases. Oh, okay. Oh, got you. Oh, but even your username, your password. I don't think I need to update that, do I? Settings. I'll probably do just the typical root password. And then I'm assuming that, where do you run this from? It doesn't tell you. You run this from. What plan and model of Quad is this? Been meaning to check it out because everyone says it's better. Yes. So Ray has been telling me to switch to it, and I've been using Claude over ChatGPT, and I gotta say it is game changer. It's just Sonnet 3.5. What plan and model? Oh, okay. What's it called? Claude 3.5. I think the latest one. What is this? To do app. Oh, CD inside the to do. Oh, okay. To do. Okay. Okay. Then we could run the migrations because Manage. Where's manage? Manage is here though. Manage Pi. Oh. Is there something here for that? No, I don't think so. I think they missed that. Here we go. Yeah, that's okay. So I think that is why. Huh. I think I messed something up. I think, what did they do? Okay, wait. First step in building your to-do list app, you should be setting up in Django, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Start by creating a Django project and app. Created. See. Oh, this is my problem. Wait, what? This one, to-do app. CD to-do dash app. Oh, I forgot the dash. Will that affect stuff? Let's see. Yeah. Dang it, I knew. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. This happens sometimes. Wait, that's so weird. Why is that? Oh, what? It's just my VS Code. Why was that? Huh. To-do app. To-do app. What? That doesn't make any sense. Why does it look like that? To-do app. Okay, VS Code is looking weird because, let me see. This is my folder. Why does it have... Oh, okay. Wait. There's a V environment. I think I messed it up. Where was I supposed to do this? This is supposed to go inside. Oh yeah, I screwed something up. I'm just gonna start all over. Okay. Oh my god, it nests in the code and pop available. So clutch. I'm almost sold. Oh, I think I messed up. Okay, I think I forgot to CD somewhere. Let's try this one more time. Okay. Clear. Where am I? Yes. Let's go inside desktop. Yes. Okay. We said, okay, let me fix this. We're gonna do it like this, so I could just do it like this. Okay, we got it? Yep, it's created right here. Okay. Now we're gonna CD into it. It looks like you have two. Yeah, I know, right? So, okay, yeah, it's confusing. Okay, so now I'm CD'd into it. Maybe I forgot that step. Let's see. No, wait, that's right. What? On Windows, use this. Oh, but I'm not using Windows. Okay. No, I think I did it right. It's right. It just shows up weird. Okay, maybe I'm not understanding. Okay. This one. Building stuff from scratch? Okay, let's see. How long has it been? 30 minutes and I haven't even gotten the repo ready. Okay. Cool. Okay. Now we got that. We got that. Now we're going to go inside that. Okay. That's where. Let's go in here. Let us zoom in. Okay. Let's go to terminal. Let's go to. Okay, now what it's saying. Okay, we gotta go inside the to-do app. Okay, list. Okay, we wanna. Yeah, why? That's so confusing. Okay, why is there no settings here? But I'm in the right one. Oh. I didn't activate my thingy. Okay. I just go back. I don't think that's the reason though. Okay, now we're in here. To do. Yeah, where is? Huh. I don't know. Let's go. Okay, it's here though. Where am I? No way you can drag. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, settings. Update the databases, right? Okay, let's find it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, gotta do that, and then let's do the update the installed apps, which we did before, but we're gonna do it again because doing it more than one time helps keep it in the brain. Okay, we got that. Make sure. Okay, yep. Okay. Let's go here. I said root and just do password. Yep. Okay. Now we're going to go models in the to-dos, right? Okay, we're going to add this model. Yep. Uh-oh. Okay. Then we are going to run this from there. There we go. It worked this time. Okay, cool. We created our first migration. Okay, nice. And this created, let's see. Yeah, I have to understand what that is. I don't understand. Okay. Make migrations. Error. Okay, what is the error? When I try making the migration, I get this error. Oh, let's see. Role doesn't. Oh. What's the new job? I just joined. Oh, no, you're good. Hey, I just joined as a software engineer at a company startup called Deepcast. If you like podcasts, they are trying to be like the IMDb or like the letterbox for podcasts. Yeah, so let's say you like listening to Lex Friedman. So you could come click here and then you could see the different results, like the different episodes, the most recent episode. And if you click on it, then you could get a deeper summary into that specific podcast. And then here are the topics that were discussed. And if you want to listen, you could also listen here. If you want to subscribe to it, then you'll get like emails. So they are in the process of building this, and they're using AI to take the episodes and then create all this information from it, like the key takeaways. So yeah, oh, cool. Yes, they use it. They're using it for a different product, for this product. So there's two. They're working on a pro, so like Deepcast Pro for podcasters themselves. This is more of the consumer product, which is built with Next.js and Django as the backend, yeah. And Postgres and AWS and all that good stuff. Yeah, so if you want to check it out, feel free. It's free. So, and you could like find different other podcasts. If you don't see the podcast that you listen to, you can click in here and then you can submit. I cannot because I'm logged in. I don't think it does it for, let's see. If I have Jira logged in, it doesn't let me. But anyway, if you don't, then it will show you here. If you want to add a podcast that you think is missing, but they so far have like almost 1,000, almost 2,000. But yeah, that is the new job, and I am learning Django and Remix for it. Let's see. Okay, so I said this is not working right now. I'm trying to run this migrate script. Let's see. The first one, the make migrations worked, I think. No changes were detected, right? But this one, okay, this is what I was trying to do. Okay. Getting this error on Python manage migrate. Let's go. Okay, let's see. I see the error you're encountering. The main issue here is that Django's trying to connect to your Postgres database. Oh, Oh. PostgreSQL. Open the terminal, connect to Postgres. Right. I didn't do this. Okay. Claude is much better. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay. Oh, I just need to create. Okay. So let's go inside. Okay, because they didn't tell us to do that. Okay, we are in Postgres. Now we're going to create our database so we can migrate the data. Okay, we created the database. Let's create our user. I said the password is just going to be password, and the username is going to be root. That's, I think, usually the standard. And then let's do this encoding stuff. I think with any of, oh shoot, no, that's that one. Okay. It's annoying to like copy it. That's the thing that's a little bit, but that's me complaining, which I should stop doing. Is it really complaining? It's, hey, you can make that experience better. Okay, let's do this. Alter role. Okay, let's see, root. Okay, and then let's do this. I have to alter the row. Okay. Oh shoot, that's not gonna work. I forgot the semicolon because there's a little 2 lines right there. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. Any tips? Honestly, I don't even know how I got this job. It just happened. I've been looking for almost 2 years, and just luck. And so I recommend, do you know what, having side projects, because I freelanced a little bit, but having side projects and building in public, that's the biggest things I could recommend. Because, and then, okay, a couple of things. Being a part of a community, contributing to a specific project, and then also, what's it called? Just keeping an eye on LinkedIn, because I think that's where I got my last 2 jobs. It was through a post someone made, not through like the formal jobs area. Like someone that I followed or in my network posted, oh, we're hiring, fill out this form, or fill out this Google Doc, and we'll let you know if you got selected. So I would recommend, looking at your network, seeing if anybody's hiring. And right now it's difficult. There are a lot of layoffs going on. It's not easy. But make yourself different. You mentioned you were looking around for 2 years. If you don't mind me asking, what was like the 2 years after you graduated? Was that like 2 years after you graduated? No. So after I graduated, it took me a couple months to find my first job. I worked there for a year. I left that job, and it took me about another 2 months to find a new job. And I worked there for a year and a half. Hey, what's up? And then after working there about a year and a half, I was at a startup. So I had like both mid-sized to startup experience for like maybe 2.5 years combined. And then after leaving that startup, I wasn't able to find a job for 2 years, basically. Essentially, it was hard until recently. I think building in public, building side projects, working with people on projects, and just being sharing whatever I was working on, I think was really helpful. And it helped me like still work on learn skills that I wanted to learn, and work on frameworks that I wanted to. And then also gave me opportunities for like freelancing stuff. So what's ideal side project for someone building skills in Next.js, TypeScript? I don't think there's such thing as an ideal. Who made a great video? I think Mickey actually made a video. Mickey and Nizzy made a great video. You should definitely go watch it. Let me see. Let's find his Twitter too. Mizzy. Here you go. Yes. Nizzy made a great video on this. Should definitely check it out. What did he say? Which one? What kind of projects to create to... Let me see. His thumbnails are on point. To get a job. Where was it? Get projects like this on your resume. Here you go. This one. Is it this one? But there's a lot. It has a lot of great, but I think definitely check out this one. And he talks about like creating unique projects or projects that you're interested in, because eventually, you know, if you do a to-do list app, everybody's doing that. So when you do something that like solve a problem, like maybe a personal problem, then that shows, I think the recruiter or whoever's interviewing you shows that you have that problem solving mentality and you're thinking about the user, which is another pro that maybe they're looking for, and you know it would be beneficial for them to have you on their team when or like you add more value and it makes you stand out from the rest of the people who are creating to-do list apps if you have your own like unique project. But yeah, definitely check out that video that I put in the chat. Let's see. Okay, we just migrated. Yay. What else did they say? Where did I get stuck? After I migrate, create. Okay, I just ran. Let's see. I just ran. What are the next steps? Great. If you successfully ran without any errors, okay, create a serializer for the to-do. Oh. Okay. There's a lot of stuff we got to set up. Fun. Django. Okay. Let's see. Then start working on, that's what I'm looking forward to. Okay, serializers. What is a serializer? I will look into that after, but let's stick on track. Oh, do I have to create this file actually? Let's begin. Serializers. What is a serializer? I will come back to you what you are. But it said to create it here. .py. Okay. And let's put this in here. The next thing we need CRUD operations, so let's put this in here. Is Python serializer is Python to JSON. Python to JSON. Oh, okay. Makes sense. I think to-dos URLs. Okay, to-dos URLs.py. Yeah, I have to, like right now I'm just doing it. Don't judge me, just to like throw myself in it. But then I think I will have to go back and see what everything means actually. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is, oh no, I clicked the wrong thing. Okay. There's also this URLs. Here we go. Okay. Got you. Okay. Hello. I'm also learning Rust. Ooh. Okay. Now let's configure course to allow requests from the Remix front end. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's do that. Do I have to do that? Oh shoot. Did I do that in the right repo? Does it matter where that's done? I don't think so, right? Oh, I have to install pip. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Okay. Cool. And then now update your Django settings. Okay. Oh, to add the course headers. Okay. Django settings. Where were you? Here. And you were in, where are you? Here. Installed apps. Installed apps. Okay. Right here. Okay. Right here. Okay, okay. Interesting. Oh, I need to add a middleware. Is that where you add the middleware? In the settings? Makes sense. Doesn't look like there is any. Where do I put this? Installed apps. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Of course. Right here. There you go. Okay. Gotta add this. Middleware. Okay. Got that. And then course allow all origins. True. Where do I put this? Does it matter where it goes? I'll just put it on the bottom. Let's see if that existed. No, it didn't. Okay. Okay, I did that. Now what? Set up a new yay. Okay, it seems like we got our backend set up. Okay, so now we got to list. We are here. Okay, we are at the root. Okay, we're in the root. Now we have to set up our this is our backend, right? Yeah. We are in to do app. To do. I think that should be called backend, no? That's fine. Okay. So it's going to create the latest front end cd npm run div. Okay. The model is basically the DB. Thanks, Jose. Okay, this is helpful. The model is basically the DB to Python. The serializer. The model is basically the DB to Python. The serializer takes the Python values. The serializer takes the Python values, parses them to JSON. Makes sense. The views use the serializer. The view is the controller of the endpoint. Huh. Okay, I think I need to like read that a couple times, but I think to like, but I get, okay, that flow makes sense. Okay. Cool, thank you. All right, so yes, we're gonna proceed. We're installing Remix right now. New Git repository, no, not at the moment. Dependencies, yes, we wanna use npm. Ooh, look at this, command line, okay. Dependencies installing with npm. Then once we gotta do that, then we're gonna, oh, there we go, our folder is created, okay. Then, oh, does it have, I usually like it when there's a source folder, but I guess we'll stay with this, okay. We're gonna, oh no, not again, not again. Okay, we're gonna cd inside front end. cd inside front end, and then it says to just run it, okay. Now let's open it up. Let's see. Okay. Oh, am I running something else? I might be running something else. Layout app. Am I layout? Yeah. Oh, haha. Remix uses a different port. Okay. Here we go. 5-minute quick start. Okay. We don't need that. Do you know why? Because we got Claude. Okay. So inside the routes.index, which is, I'm assuming, the first page, route.index. So this is the routing system. We're just going to replace it with this. Okay. And then, what is this? Is this the same thing? Update. Oh, okay. This is the same thing, but they want us to update it because they're trying to walk us through it. Oh, what is this issue? Because we are using TypeScript. That's not going to work with Remix, huh? Okay, I'm getting this error. Let's see. Excuse me. No, not Next.js. This is Remix. Okay. Let's see. What is the difference? Okay. Oh, there we go. Because we needed to add it at the top. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now the backend isn't running yet. So now we have to go ahead and run the backend. So I'm gonna open up another one. Isn't the right? No. I have to go inside to-dos, right? Where is this? I think it's this one, right? Here we go. Okay, we got our backend going. We got our app. Oh, but we got an issue. What is the issue? Failed data load. Okay. I am getting a fetch failed. Let's see what they're gonna say. But the backend is running, so I apologize for the oversight. The error you're seeing is because fetch function is not available in the node. Oh, okay, it's gonna update it. It's gonna update it. Does this also, oh no, not, does this use Tailwind? Yes, it does. Okay. Cool. Oh, that's not right. Okay, I think, where is it? Oh, because we were using this. You have to use, okay, here is where I think Claude messes up a little. Okay, it's fetcher, right? Import fetcher. Remix, we're on a roll. Okay, docs. Fetcher. User fetcher. Is it user fetcher? No, fetch data. Data format, no. Getting started. Quick tutorial. Loader. What is the loader? Route loader. No. Just a normal loader. Where's the here we go. How do you? Okay. Loader data type loader. What the? Okay. Right, because okay, so Remix, they have loader, action, and the component. So the loader allows you to load the data. The action is like if you have a form and you want it to perform a specific or hit a specific endpoint, you can do that there. But let's see, the issue is this. I think the way, are we looking at the right thing? Oh, what was the issue? What are we doing? Here, fetcher. Import fetch. Fetch data. Fetch. Is it use fetcher? I'm trying to remember. What was the error again? It's a good question. Let's see. Okay. So it has, yeah, it had to do with that fetcher thing. Okay. I don't need to fetch anything because fetch is a default thing. Okay, let's see now. Test. Refresh. Oh wait. Test. No. Huh. Wait, what's wrong? Is this still there? No. Oh. So it's still, okay, so it's still giving that error. And that's because, okay, so this is running. Now let's look at, let's see. I still get, this is on the front end. The model is structured of the table in the DB. Oh wait, so maybe we start both endpoint and the serializer request. Yeah, so I think I have to check that. Let me see. I'm gonna open it up on Table Plus. If we could see our table, let's see. Plus Postgres create. To do app, to do dash app. Port 5432, root, password, database name. What did we name the database? I don't remember. So that's not in the front end, that's in the back end. Name, database. We named it name to do DB. There we go. Okay. Where'd you go? All right, let's try this again. The name of the DB is that. We got root. We got password. We got, I'll just name it the same thing. And let's see if this works. Yay! Okay, so now we can connect. There we go. Auth. Oh, yay! To do. Okay. So we have the table. This is what the table database looks like. Let's see if I have the Docker image running. Images, side project planner. Maybe Docker isn't running. Yeah, I think the Docker or the Postgres. Oh no, I'm running it on my thing, so I don't need Docker. Right, okay. Okay. What did it say? Oh, it did say restart. I apologize. Okay. First, make sure Django server is running. Yes, it is running. Let's debug. Okay. Okay, we close this. Okay. Close. Okay, we got the back end. Okay, let's check this. So let's stop this. Close. And then same thing with this. Close. Okay. We're gonna do a first. It says if Django server running might need to adjust the URL in your remix instead of using host. Let's try using the IP. Huh. Oh, that might be it. Okay. Where is this? So we just have to change local host to, oh, let's see. Oh, that's what, okay. That's what you're saying. Okay, over there. Anyway, okay. So let's run this first. We're gonna run the backend. Oh, I ran the wrong file. Okay. Here we go. Run the backend. Okay, it's running. It says it's this, so I think we might have to change it. Okay. Let's try this. This is gonna be in the front end. Front end app. No. Here we go. This one. Okay. We updated the route. Before it was just localhost. Now it's this because this is the server now. Okay. Next thing. Change. Redefine. Okay. Now we could run it. Why is this doing this? Kill. Open it again. Go inside front end. Now we're gonna do npm run dev. Okay, it's running. If you're still encountering issues, there are a few more things. Okay, so maybe that's what the issue was. Okay, let's refresh it. Added to do test. So then we could check in our database if it's getting hit. Actually, before we even do that, let me fix this because this is annoying. System UI line height. Okay. Let's add some better styling. Okay, let's do this. Padding 24. That's a little bit better. Okay. Let's make this. Do you know what's so weird? I don't know why when you use H1, but then it doesn't style it as an H1. Why does that happen? To-do list. Input. Let's make this a little bit border 2. Sure, you could do that. Okay, it's a little bit big, but that's fine. Class name flex column. Sure, let's do a column instead. Okay, and then also with this one should be a flex. There we go. This should be a button. So why is this not background something? I don't know. Okay, rounded. D. Text white. Font bold. Padding 2. Sure. Here we go. Isn't that a lot better? Hey, what's up? Because it's an H1. Yeah, but there's no styling. Isn't H1 the biggest one? Here, let's see. Oh yeah, I said okay. We need to see if this is gonna be added here. Is the question. It added auth stuff, but I don't need auth. Interesting. Much nicer now. I actually prefer that behavior. Tailwind strips away styling for all. Oh, okay. Interesting. Let's see. Hey! Test. Hello world. Hey! Look at that. You guys, we did this in an hour. I was able to do simple to do. I'm not done with the CRUD, obviously, but hey, we could add it. Okay, let me see. Where is this data stored though? I don't think it's being stored anywhere. Is it? Probably not. Oh yeah, it is right here. Here we go. Completed. Check. Oh, but that's not okay. There's no thing for that yet. Okay. Probably have to go through this. Okay. Let's see. Can you add UI to... I want to add the Lucid... Oh, I came up... We also use Tabler. So let's use Tabler. This is a icon library. Can you install this? There we go. NPM. Let's install Tabler. So I could get familiar with that too. We need a trash can icon. I think it's gonna come. Oh, whoops. I think Chatsian uses Lucid React, which is pretty cool too. But this one's nice too. This is a nice icon library. Okay, so you want to use the trash icon. Icon trash. Oh, icon. Huh, not showing up. Do I have to restart my front end? Probably, huh? Trash. Here we go. I like this one. Yeah. Why is this not being shown? Trash. Huh. Thought I downloaded it. Interesting. Did I not read something? I did. Oh, I did it in the wrong area, didn't I? I did it in the wrong area. Ha. So we have to go inside the front end repo. I'm in here. Duh. Okay. Here we go. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yep. Thank you. Trash. All right, but now it should show up. But still not showing up. Huh. Weird. Oh, that then. Let's start it again. Okay. I have to check if it... Okay, so I didn't do it. Tabler. Yeah, it's right there. What's up? Should I close this and open it again? Let's try that. Here we go. I just use Lucid. Yeah, Lucid is really good too. Okay, what's the problem? Okay. We have the package, not JSON. Is Tabler in here? Yes, it is. So let's do a npm install again. Let's get rid of this. Let's open up the terminal. I'm gonna delete this and try it again. cd front end npm I React icons. Oh yeah, React icons too. Reload VS Code. Yeah. Is there like a button you could use to reload it, or I just closed it and opened it up again? All right, let's try it out. Yeah, I don't even know what these files are. Are these entry client, entry server, root? Oh, okay. Yeah, I gotta look into what that is. I understand the routes and the index sort of. Okay. Import trash. Still, it's not showing up, you guys. I would recommend you install the VS extension called Reload. Just adds a simple reload button. No way. Okay. Let's try it. Thank you. Never heard of it. Reload. Here we go. Huh. Where's the button though? Oh, in the bottom here. Oh, nice. I guess I'll update now too. Let's see how long it will take. Does anybody want the code for this? Should I create a repo for it? Let's see. npm run dev. I also need to run. Oh, I need to put it in the README. Oh yeah, that sounds like a really useful extension. I'm going to be using that a lot. Thank you for sharing. Okay. Let's see. This one, yeah. This one, inside the to-do app. Running, okay. This one. Okay, if it doesn't work, that's fine. I'll just figure it out later. Why this trash icon isn't full. That's fine, whatever. I think I'll just have a delete, just a button that has delete. What do I need to do to make CRUD work right now? I can only create. Can you add delete and update buttons? So I think I have to update the model or the endpoints. Control Shift P. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just do this. Paste it in. Let's see our errors. Okay, Django views. Okay, what else? Anything else in terms of Django? Excuse me, one sec. Alright, give me 1 second. I'll be back. I have to. Is this paid Claude plan? Yes, it is paid. Give me 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me? Okay. Drucking code is what? What are you guys talking about? Okay. I use developer restart extension host or developer reload window. Cool. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Let's see where we go. Views. My goal, I just want it. Oh, nice. Okay. If this works, I think that's good enough for me. Okay. The next thing, views. Okay. Updated that. What's up with this? Oh, right. This is the actions, which I think I like it better underneath here. Okay. So we got this. So what's happening is we load in the data from the API URL. This gets our to-dos. It is getting the JSON, returning the JSON, and this is then being used inside here. We are loading the data up from the loader as an array of to-do list items, which looks like this, and we could update that if we want. Then we have a submit button. We have a handle toggle. If it's completed, then it will change that state. We have this form. Whenever anything happens in the form, it's going to trigger this action. We're going to check what kind of action it is if we want to create, update, or delete. Seems like right now this is giving us an error. Let's see, what was this? Why is this giving us this error? Do I have to restart the backend? Post. Oh, here we go. Wait. Yeah, we didn't really update the. That's another thing I need to work on. Okay. Models. API. We don't have a file for API. Where's API? Don't we need a file for API? API routes. Huh. Interesting. Now let's update your main. API.todos change. What? No. We're reverting back. This is not what we want. Okay. Okay, I have to look into this more, but I think in general, let's see. Oh yeah, this is not working. Okay, what's the reason? Well, okay, let's see what form action gives us in the first place. Huh, interesting. What is this error? It's never read. Okay, well, let's read it now. Console.log form data. Okay. I think this is going to display in the server. Let's see. If I press test. Yeah, here we go. This is our form data. This is the action is to create, which we are printing out right here. And this is the data. Okay. So what is form data dot get ID, get title? Why is that not null? Huh. Oh, because we don't have it. Let's see this. Title. Yeah. So why is this? Huh. So this should work. There's just this weird thingy. Unexpected lexical declaration. What? Does anybody know or have seen that issue before? Unexpected lexical declaration. Oh man, this is annoying. Okay. I wish there's a way. Does anybody know an extension where I could copy the error message? Let. Oh, this should be let, is what you're saying? No. Title. It's this section. Hey, what's up? You're right. To focus on the specific line. Okay. Alright. Oh, you need a condition? Is that it? Let's see. Hopefully that is it. Hopefully. Okay. So far, so good. We need to check if the action is a string. Oh, there's this check where you can create endpoints. Oh, wait. Or create validators. Okay. But that's fine. Okay. Let's see. Delete. Hey, look at this. Hey. Okay. Hello world. Let's go. Simple. CRUD. Now let's see if I check this. Okay. Control-Shift-P restart lens server. Okay. Cool. Okay. Okay, guys. I think, you know what I'm going to do? I want to rename this to backend. I wonder if it's going to give me any issues. Turn this off. Let's rename this to backend. Let's try running it again. Let's see if this does anything. Nope. It looks good. Okay. Nice. Now I have to update this for README, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna save this in GitHub if anybody wants to take a look at it. You're doing projects, of course. It's not really projects, it's more like learning. I think you learn best through projects. So let's see, remix, Django, to-do app. Let's see, add readme. Sure, we could revisit this. But at least I want to keep track of at least this is like basic stuff. Okay. Okay, git clone this one, cloning. Here we go. You probably also got to remove the root package and package lock files. Those were created next. Oh, yes. Thank you. Okay, I'll delete those. Let's just add. Oh, but I do want the environment VNV in there, right? Yep. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's get rid of that. Let us cd remix git add git commit initial commit git git push. Okay. And then in terms of like deploying this to production, that would be interesting. I think that would be like the next thing. But hey, for an hour, Claude able to do a to-do list app, not bad. By the way, you could just create and push a new repo from VS Code default. Yeah, that's a good point. I'm just used to doing it this way. It's faster for me. Maybe I need to figure out how to do that way too. But hey, here we go. We got the front end remix. We got the back end. Does this? No, it doesn't. I thought it had to read me, but that's fine. Okay, if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it here. But that was just a quick, I think, intro to Remix and Django in an hour, creating a basic to-do app. Hey, I mainly do full stack dev with Next.js and the T3 stack. So what about you? By the way, okay. Okay, guys, I think that's it for me for tonight. I think I coded a lot today, so maybe tomorrow will be, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, projects, build projects. Last thing, I think VNV shouldn't be on the Git. Yeah, it's like oh yeah, you're right. Okay, I'll remove that. Thank you. Okay, I need to add a git ignore. I didn't have a git ignore file too in there, huh? Okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good night. Thanks for staying up with me till 10